Hi, I'm Pallavi Shom. While skill sets and qualifications are a given, I personally look for just two things: your attitude and your solid value system. Everything else can be trained. A long time back, one of my mentors told me, be big, be brave, be bold. In a 30 to 40 year career span, what is the legacy that you're going to leave behind? How is it that you're going to make a difference? So join BNY Mellon, bring your ideas, make history.